Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to fit images in a container, or how to scale images based on a particular container using CSS. So let's get started. So I have first created a project using Wait. I am using the TypeScript template, so you can just run this command if you want to. And here you can see this is the output. I have one container which has this red border, and there is one image inside it. Now as you can see, the image is not occupying the entire width and height of the container, but the image looks proper. So this is the actual original image, it is not getting cut. That's the advantage of it. But if I come over here, and here firstly I will just show you all the code which I have. So here as you can see, I have one div. I have deleted everything else from my code, so I just have a div with a style of width and height of 500 pixel, and here I have just given some border. I am loading one image. I have added this leak3.webp inside my public folder. You can add it wherever you feel like. I have given it some alt tag, a class which help us to add some CSS property, and the loading is lazy. And in styles, here we are referencing the style of our styles.css, which is inside the src folder. But if you want, you can move it inside the root folder as well. And if you see the styles.css, I am keeping the width and height as inherit and object fit as scale down. That's why it is not occupying the entire width and height. But scale down is a good property, because I feel it does not crops your image and shows your image perfectly fine with the right aspect ratio. But if scale down is not working for you, the other one which you can try is cover. So if I just change it to cover, here you can see now it has filled up properly. So depending on how exactly is your container, you can just play around with this object fit of cover or object fit of scale down, and you should be able to achieve the proper results. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.